Bolster's Takeoff tool allows you to take fast and accurate digital measurements for your projects. Whether you're starting from a plan, using satellite imagery, or drawing from scratch, you can capture accurate digital measurements for any type of job. No matter how complicated your job is, you can use the Takeoff tool to measure lengths, calculate areas, and count or tally items. A built-in joist and beam tool is also included to automatically plan out your framing while accounting for material thickness and spacing. Your digital measurements automatically link to items and assemblies in your estimates, allowing you to get fast, accurate pricing for any type of construction job, and then generate a proposal using selections quickly. To get started using the Takeoff tool, open any estimate or project in your pipeline. Load in any assemblies you want to use in your project. Before opening the Takeoff tool, you may need to link your item or assembly quantities to preset takeoff dimensions. Some of your items may be linked already, but if not, you can click on the quantity icon and then again on the link button to select from the list. After setting up your dimensions, head to the sidebar on the left, click Takeoff and then Draw Takeoff. When using the Takeoff tool for the first time, you will be prompted to import a plan, use a satellite image, or start by drawing from scratch. Let's start by importing a plan into our project. You can also import plans at any time by adding a layer into your Takeoff. Once your file is uploaded, you will need to scale it to the grid. Click on the floor plan and then Continue to start measuring 2 reference points on your plan. Enter the known measurement between the 2 points and your plan will automatically be scaled to the grid. You can change the grid size or unit at any time on the top right. Please note that you will have to rescale your plan if you change unit or grid size by pressing the Rescale button. To start using satellite imagery, add a new layer and select Satellite as the option. Enter the address of the property you want to add imagery for. The image will automatically be scaled, but you may need to rotate this image in line with the grid in order to maintain accuracy. Alternatively, you may want to start from scratch. You can do this by simply clicking on the dimension you want to measure and then start drawing, or by adding a new layer and selecting length or area. Let's learn how to use the drawing tools with this bathroom example. First, select the dimension you want to measure. Then, use the mouse to click and create line segments that form a closed shape. Right-click to finish drawing. The dimension, in this case the floor area, will automatically be calculated, and any linked items and assemblies will have the measurement applied. If you have another dimension that uses this same drawing, you can click the 6-dot menu to copy a layer's contents and then paste them on another layer. For lineal measurements such as perimeters, you can change the measurement type and then start drawing using the same process. For other measurements in your estimate, you can keep drawing areas and lengths or enter measurements manually if you know them. You can also use the count or tally tool for items like windows, doors, or in this case, sinks. When you have a joist or beam length listed in your estimate, the joist tool will automatically open, or you can click the icon to access it. Click to draw your deck area, and your joists and beams will automatically be laid out. You can further adjust this with custom material thickness and spacing. When you've finished using the Takeoff tool, head back to your estimate. You will see your Takeoff measurements in the Project Dimensions menu on the left. Your prices will be updated, allowing you now to generate a proposal to send or present to customers. For more information on the Takeoff tool, head to the Bolster Academy for more in-depth tutorials, or contact your customer support manager for assistance.